micro update on the chicken house. Well, I've emptied it and I've just used some Jay's fluid and this spray gun and gone over everywhere. So now literally, I mean I wouldn't want to, but I think you could probably eat your dinner off out of here. So it's now the best chicken house known to man. So I'm going to do what the instructions say for Jay's, which is leave it to dry, leave it well ventilated. Listen, I've got so much to do. I've got this to do, which looks worse than it is, right? It's the roof fallen in, so you can see the netting, and then it's really overgrown, but that's what strimmers are for, right? So this is day 3 of how to keep chickens. Well, you start off by keeping them clean and all that. I'm looking for anybody who's got any suggestions of the chickens to get, or the place to get them. I said before, maybe Clitheroe auction is where I'll go. But I wanted to get this done today and then get the rest done this week. I've got a lot of work on actually, so I'm just trying to find a couple of hours here and a couple of hours there. Like I said, I'm getting up extra early, which is nice, and then working like a maniac for about 6 hours, having a couple of hours off doing stuff like this, and then finishing off. So I'm gonna go and do that now. I'm gonna just go and finish some work off. But big thanks to my sponsors who don't know that they sponsored me. It's Jay's Fluid. I'm hoping it'll show that on camera and I get one of the 30 people who follow me now, what a joke, to say thanks to Jay's or whatever. You never know, do you? They might send me another tub of that. And I've got a lapel mic coming, maybe even today, so hopefully the sound quality will be better than this. I know it's pulling me. But okay, enjoy.